Most of us interact with AI through a very narrow loop. We type a prompt, we wait, we read the output, and then we repeat the process. This standard chat interface is just the top layer of the model. Beneath that text box is a wider architecture of system-level commands designed to handle logic and memory, functions that most users never actually trigger. Staying confined to that basic chat loop leads to context bloat. This is the primary reason why complex workflows eventually break down and outputs begin to degrade. For example, if you spend an hour writing a YouTube script and then ask for a corporate LinkedIn post in that same window, the model's accuracy drops. It is still processing the creative tone of video copy when you need professional executive text. Accessing the power of the model requires using specific commands that restructure how the AI processes your information. Transitioning from passive chatting to active system building is the only way to scale your output without constantly burning tokens on prompts that the AI has lost the thread of. The ultrathink command forces the model to exert its maximum analytical effort on a single task. It bypasses standard computational limits. When you are facing deep technical problems or complex planning requirements, this command instructs the AI to prioritize logical depth over response speed. There is a strict rule of token economics at play here. Forcing this level of reasoning requires an exponentially higher token spend per response. Because of that cost, you should skip this command for quick edits or simple lookups. Deploy this heavy hitter only when the complexity of the problem justifies the specific token cost. Strategic deployment of processing power solves difficult technical barriers, while using it for basic chat simply drains your budget. To identify exactly where those tokens are going, you use the /insights command. Run this at the end of the month, and Claude analyzes your last 30 days of interactions to generate a comprehensive HTML report. This report extracts 3 specific data points: your successful patterns, your active bottlenecks, and personalized recommendations for features you aren't using yet. It removes the guesswork by comparing what you think you're doing with the objective data log of your actual daily usage. You cannot accurately optimize a system until you have quantitatively measured where it is currently failing. Before you set up any automation, you must answer one filtering question. Does the task need local files? If the answer is no, you are looking at a cloud-based recurring task. This is the specific use case for the /schedule command. Because this runs in the cloud, your computer can stay off. It requires a minimum 1-hour interval, and unlike local loops, it operates without a 3-day tap. This allows you to automate a daily stand-up brief that is generated and delivered to your inbox every morning without any manual input. True automation separates the execution of the task from your local hardware. To solve the problem of degraded accuracy we identified earlier, you deploy the /clear command. This command actively wipes the slate clean between entirely unrelated tasks. By running this between projects, you prevent hallucinations, save tokens, and eliminate the time spent trying to fix an AI confused by old context. By delegating memory management to a single command, you stop spending time correcting previous errors and start building prompts that the model can execute accurately on the first attempt. To prevent system shock, follow a strict 3-step action plan. Step 1, use the clear command tomorrow. This is the smallest change you can make to instantly stabilize your current workflows. Step 2, at the end of the month, generate that HTML audit report. Use it to gather hard data on where your time is actually being spent. Step 3, select your next command based strictly on the bottlenecks that the report identified. These commands are not just parlor tricks, they are structural upgrades that you configure once and reuse forever. The elite user stops hitting the limits of the chat box and instead exploits these hidden